I just got into mechanical keyboards, and this one right here is the LEOBOG Epomaker Hi75. This is what the keyboard looks like with the stock keycaps that came with the board, but I want a different look, so I got some Meowgeek MDA keycaps. What I'm super curious about though is which one do you think looks better and which keycaps do you think sound better? For a $100 board that is completely stock, I think both sound amazing, but let me know what your opinion is, which one looks better, which one sounds better. If you do like this board, I have it linked in my Amazon store. This is the JSAUX flexible phone stand. This is the perfect recording stand or phone holder for any kind of POV or over-the-top shot that you're looking for. Comes with an easy mounting system that twists on and off. Full adjustability for height. 3 points of adjustment. Comes with the fill light that is attached to the stand. Let's go in and see what it looks like from the actual stand. As you can see, there are no tripod legs in the way, making it perfect for the over-the-head shots. I'm hands-free. I can get in here, showcase whatever I would like to showcase, whether that's cooking videos, unboxings, arts and crafts like drawing or nails, or you can prop it up just like this, just like any other phone stand. If you like this phone stand, I'm actually giving this one away at the end of this month. I do monthly giveaways, and in my giveaway, I am also giving away this wireless remote that controls the light temperature, light power, and the ability to record and stop recording. So if you like free stuff, follow my page. I do monthly giveaways. Like I said, this month I'm giving away that flexible phone stand by JSAUX. Go to the pinned video at the top of my page and get entered up. This is the best budget, pre-built stock keyboard on the market currently. It's the LEOBOG Epomaker Hi75. It's aluminum, RGB, hot swappable, and look at these beautiful keycaps that come with it. I'm just gonna be quiet now and you just listen to this keyboard and tell me what you think. I was actually able to get my highest words per minute, which is 90. I am not a very fast typer. You can get this on my Amazon link. I chose the Nimbus V3 switches with the green MDA keycaps. Beautiful.